In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spreadsheet Sync to QuickBooks Online Advanced. By the end, you'll know exactly how to launch the tool, approve the prompts you'll see, and sign in so you can start working with your QuickBooks data right inside Excel. First, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online Advanced company in your web browser and that Microsoft Excel is installed on the same computer. Spreadsheet Sync is an Excel add-in from Intuit, and the connection starts in QuickBooks and hands off to Excel, so having both ready will make this smooth. Begin in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens your Settings and Tools menu. From there, select Spreadsheet Sync. Choosing this option launches Intuit's guided setup, which walks you through the connection. You'll see on-screen instructions, and depending on your browser, you may notice a prompt as it prepares to open Excel. When that prompt appears, allow your browser to open links. This might look like a small message asking for permission to open an external application or to proceed to Microsoft Excel. Click Allow or Open. If your browser shows a warning about pop-ups or external apps, that's normal here. This step is simply handing the process from your browser to Excel, so the add-in can load correctly. Next, in Excel, you'll be asked to trust the Spreadsheet Sync add-in. Choose Trust this add-in. This tells Excel it's okay to load the official Intuit add-in so it can connect securely to your QuickBooks company. Trusting the add-in ensures you get the right permissions, and it also helps Excel remember this choice so you don't have to approve it every time. After that, sign in with your Intuit account. Use the same account you use for your QuickBooks Online Advanced company so the add-in connects to the correct data. If you manage more than one company, you may be prompted to pick the right one during sign-in. Complete any standard verification your account requires, and you're set. Once you're signed in, the connection is established. From here, Spreadsheet Sync is ready to help you work with your QuickBooks data in Excel. You can pull in data for analysis, build reports that stay tied to your company, and keep things consistent without manual exports. And that's all it takes. Click the gear icon, select Spreadsheet Sync, allow your browser to open links, trust the Excel add-in, and sign in with your Intuit account. Simple, secure, and ready to go.